Welcome to our exciting exploration of Florida's wetlands, where beauty and danger coexist in a rich tapestry of wildlife. In this video, we'll uncover 18 of the most perilous creatures that inhabit these lush ecosystems, from fierce alligators and elusive Florida panthers to venomous snakes like the cottonmouth and eastern diamondback rattler. Join us as we delve into the risks posed by everything from giant Burmese pythons to pesky fire ants, showcasing the remarkable, yet hazardous, flora and fauna of one of the most biodiverse regions in the United States. Are you ready to learn what lurks beneath the surface in Florida's wetlands? Let's dive in. 1. Alligators. In the sun-drenched wetlands of Florida, alligators rule the waters with their ancient and formidable presence. These reptiles can often be found basking on banks or gliding silently through the swampy waters, their eyes and nostrils peeking just above the surface. Alligators are known for their powerful jaws, and while they usually avoid human contact, they can become aggressive if provoked or if they feel threatened. It's not uncommon for them to wander into residential areas, especially during mating season. Despite their menacing appearance, alligators play a crucial role in their ecosystem, controlling the population of prey species and maintaining the balance of the wetland environment. For locals and visitors alike, it's wise to keep a respectful distance and to never feed them, as doing so can disrupt their natural behavior. 2. American crocodiles. Often overshadowed by their alligator cousins, American crocodiles inhabit the southernmost tip of Florida. These reptiles are more elusive, preferring the brackish waters of estuaries and coastal mangroves. Unlike alligators, crocodiles have a narrower snout and are generally more tolerant of saltwater. They can grow quite large, with some individuals reaching lengths of up to 20 feet. Despite their intimidating size, American crocodiles are less aggressive towards humans than other crocodilian species. However, caution is still advised, as they can become defensive if their territory is encroached upon. American crocodiles are a conservation success story in Florida, with populations rebounding due to protective measures, highlighting the delicate balance between humans and wildlife. 3. Cottonmouth, water moccasin, snakes. The cottonmouth, or water moccasin, is a venomous snake that thrives in the humid wetlands of Florida. Known for their distinctive white mouths, which they display when threatened, these snakes are often found near water bodies like swamps, marshes, and slow-moving rivers. They are not typically aggressive but will stand their ground if they feel cornered. The cottonmouth's venom can be dangerous, causing severe pain and tissue damage, so it's crucial to exercise caution when traversing their habitats. Their diet consists mainly of fish and frogs, which they hunt with stealth and precision. If you encounter a cottonmouth, it's best to give it a wide berth and allow it to retreat on its own. 4. Eastern diamondback rattlesnakes. The eastern diamondback rattlesnake is one of the largest and most venomous snakes in North America. These snakes are easily recognizable by the diamond pattern on their backs and the distinctive rattle at the end of their tails. They are masters of camouflage, often blending seamlessly into the dry, sandy soils of the Florida wetlands. When threatened, they will coil and shake their rattle as a warning before striking. Their venom is potent, capable of causing severe injury or even death if untreated. Despite their fearsome reputation, rattlesnakes play an important role in controlling rodent populations. When hiking or exploring Florida's natural areas, it's wise to stay on designated paths and remain vigilant for signs of these elusive reptiles. 5. Coral snake. Coral snakes are easily identifiable by their striking red, yellow, and black bands. In Florida, these venomous snakes are often confused with non-venomous species like the scarlet kingsnake. A helpful rhyme often used to tell them apart is, "Red touch yellow, kill a fellow, red touch black, friend of Jack." Coral snakes are secretive and prefer to hide under logs, leaf litter, or in burrows. Their venom is neurotoxic, affecting the nervous system and requiring immediate medical attention if bitten. Despite their potent venom, coral snakes are not aggressive and rarely bite humans unless provoked. Their presence in the ecosystem is vital, as they help control populations of smaller snakes and amphibians. 6. Burmese pythons. Burmese pythons are an invasive species that have made a significant impact on Florida's wetlands. Originally from Southeast Asia, these large constrictors were introduced to the region through the exotic pet trade. They can grow to enormous sizes, with some individuals reaching over 20 feet in length. Burmese pythons are apex predators, preying on a wide range of wildlife, including birds, mammals, and even small alligators. Their presence has led to a decline in native species, causing concern for the ecological balance of the region. Efforts to manage and control the python population are ongoing, with wildlife agencies encouraging public participation in their removal. 7. Florida panthers. The Florida panther is a critically endangered subspecies of cougar that roams the swamps and forests of southern Florida. These solitary and elusive predators are a symbol of the state's wild heritage. Florida panthers are known for their tawny coats and long tails, and they primarily hunt deer, wild hogs, and smaller mammals. Habitat loss and vehicle collisions are significant threats to their survival, making conservation efforts crucial. While panthers are generally shy and avoid human interaction, it's important to be aware of their presence and to respect their space. Protecting these majestic animals is vital for maintaining the health and diversity of Florida's ecosystems. 8. Black bears. Florida is home to a population of black bears that inhabit the state's woodlands and wetlands. These bears are the largest land mammals in Florida and are known for their adaptability and curiosity. Black bears are omnivorous, with diets that include fruits, nuts, insects, and small mammals. While they are not typically aggressive, they can become problematic if they become accustomed to human food sources. To prevent conflicts, it's important to secure trash and food items, especially in areas where bears are known to roam. Black bears are a testament to the wild beauty of Florida, and their preservation is essential for the natural balance of the region. 9. Wild boars. Wild boars, also known as feral hogs, are a widespread and invasive species in Florida. These animals have a voracious appetite and can cause significant damage to native habitats by rooting and trampling vegetation. Wild boars are omnivorous, feeding on plants, insects, and small animals. They are also known to compete with native wildlife for resources, posing a threat to the ecological balance. While they usually avoid humans, boars can be aggressive if cornered or threatened. Management efforts are in place to control their population and minimize their impact on Florida's natural areas. 10. Fire ants. Fire ants are small but formidable insects that have established themselves in Florida's wetlands. Known for their painful stings, these ants can quickly swarm and attack anything that disturbs their nests. Fire ants are aggressive and will defend their colonies with ferocity. Their stings can cause allergic reactions in some individuals, making them a significant concern for both humans and wildlife. Fire ants are opportunistic feeders, preying on a variety of insects and small animals. While controlling fire ant populations can be challenging, awareness and caution can help minimize encounters with these tenacious insects. 11. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are ubiquitous in Florida's wetlands, thriving in the warm, humid climate. These tiny insects are notorious for their itchy bites and their ability to transmit diseases such as West Nile virus and Zika virus. Mosquitoes breed in standing water, making the wetlands an ideal habitat for them. While they are a nuisance to humans, mosquitoes play a role in the ecosystem as a food source for birds, bats, and other wildlife. To reduce the risk of mosquito bites, it's advisable to wear protective clothing and use insect repellent when spending time outdoors, especially during dawn and dusk when mosquitoes are most active. 12. Ticks. Ticks are parasitic arachnids that can be found in Florida's wetlands and wooded areas. These tiny creatures latch onto hosts, feeding on their blood and potentially transmitting diseases such as Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Ticks are often encountered by hikers and outdoor enthusiasts, making it essential to take precautions to avoid bites. Wearing long sleeves, using insect repellent, and performing thorough tick checks after spending time in tick-prone areas can help prevent tick-borne illnesses. While ticks are a natural part of the ecosystem, Their presence underscores the importance of awareness and prevention when exploring the outdoors. 13. Stingrays. Florida's coastal waters are home to various species of stingrays, which can pose a risk to beachgoers and swimmers. These flat, cartilaginous fish often bury themselves in the sand, making them difficult to spot. Accidental encounters can result in painful stings from their barbed tails, which they use for defense. While stingray injuries are rarely life-threatening, they can cause significant discomfort and require medical attention. To avoid stingray stings, it's recommended to shuffle your feet when walking in shallow waters, as this can alert stingrays to your presence and encourage them to swim away. 14. Bull sharks. Bull sharks are formidable predators that inhabit both freshwater and saltwater environments, including the rivers and estuaries of Florida's wetlands. Known for their aggressive behavior and powerful build, bull sharks are one of the few shark species that can tolerate freshwater, allowing them to venture far inland. While they are not common in encounters with humans, their presence in these waters is a reminder of the diverse and dynamic nature of Florida's ecosystems. Bull sharks play a critical role as apex predators, helping to maintain the balance of marine life by controlling populations of various species. 15. Barracudas. Barracudas are sleek, fast-swimming predators that can be found in the coastal waters of Florida. Known for their sharp teeth and aggressive hunting style, these fish are a common sight for snorkelers and divers. While barracudas rarely pose a threat to humans, their curious nature can lead them to approach swimmers. It's important to remain calm and avoid sudden movements if encountered by a barracuda. These fish play a vital role in the marine ecosystem, preying on smaller fish and helping to control their populations. Their presence is a testament to the rich biodiversity of Florida's coastal waters. 16. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are a common sight in Florida's coastal waters, with several species inhabiting the area. These gelatinous creatures can vary in size, shape, and color, and some species possess stinging cells that can cause painful reactions in humans. Jellyfish stings can range from mild irritation to more severe symptoms, depending on the species encountered. When swimming in areas known for jellyfish, it's advisable to stay informed about current conditions and to be cautious in the water. Despite their potential risks, jellyfish play an essential role in the ocean's food web, serving as prey for various marine animals. 17. Bobcats. Bobcats are elusive and adaptable predators that inhabit Florida's forests and wetlands. These medium-sized wildcats are known for their tufted ears, short tails, and spotted coats. Bobcats primarily hunt small mammals, birds, and reptiles, using their stealth and agility to ambush prey. While bobcats are generally shy and avoid human interaction, they can occasionally be spotted near residential areas, especially if food sources are scarce. Bobcats are an integral part of Florida's ecosystem, helping to control populations of prey species and maintaining the natural balance. 18. Bald eagles. The majestic bald eagle is an iconic symbol of America and can be found soaring over Florida's wetlands and waterways. These powerful birds of prey are known for their white heads and tails, sharp talons, and keen eyesight. Bald eagles primarily feed on fish, which they catch with precision as they swoop down over the water. Their presence in Florida is a testament to the state's rich biodiversity and commitment to conservation. While bald eagles pose no direct threat to humans, their nests should be respected and observed from a distance to ensure their continued success in the wild.